Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact email address and credentials you'll use, because a wrong account wastes time. Next, enable IMAP or app access and have any 2FA backup codes ready so authentication doesn't block the process. Once done, check whether you have an existing export file like CSV or vCard, or whether your provider offers a built-in restore or recycle bin. This determines the next steps and the import method you'll choose. You now move into execution. Open the Contacts section in your email account or provider portal and choose Import or Restore. If you have a CSV or vCard, upload it and map fields like name, email, phone so data aligns. If using a provider snapshot, pick the restore date and preview entries. Make sure to handle duplicates by previewing match rules, because blindly accepting duplicates creates cleanup work later. Proceed when the preview looks correct. Finish by syncing and verifying contacts on your phone, web, and desktop so you confirm the restore propagated. If you see duplicates or mismatched fields, use the Contacts app merge or editing tools. Re-import after correcting the CSV mapping if necessary. If things go wrong, check sync settings, IMAP/exchange connection, and whether two-factor block the import. Then revert to the most recent backup snapshot or try a different export format before repeating the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.